In this exercise, we're going to simplify a fraction. The fraction is 72 over 108. And to do this, let's begin by writing the prime factorization of the number in the numerator and then the prime factorization of the number in the denominator. Now 72, if we used a series of divisions or a factor tree, we would find that its prime factorization is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And 108, again using some kind of a method to find the prime factorization, we would determine that the prime factorization of 108 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now we want to factor this fraction in such a way that we pull out the factors that are common to the numerator and the denominator. In the numerator, I see 3 factors of 2, and in the denominator there are 2 factors of 2. So there's a pair of 2's in each place. And there are 2 3's in the numerator and 3 3's in the denominator. So I also have a pair of 3's in both the numerator and the denominator. So I can write this as 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 over 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times the numbers that are left in each place. There is a 2 left in the numerator, and there is a 3 in the denominator. Now this first fraction is a number divided by itself. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 divided by 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 is just equal to 1. So what I have here is 1 times 2/3. And that is going to simplify then to the number 2/3.